Liverpool and Manchester Railway is oldest railway in the world, which surviving from the 15th of September 1830. Inventor of rail engine George Stephenson built this first public intercity line. After getting first achievement in timeline of railway history, many railway line built in all over world like Baltimore and Ohio Railroad 1830 United States of America, Bavarian Ludwigsbahn Line 1936 Germany, the Belgian Line 25 1935 Belgium, St. Petersburg Railway 1851 Russia, Bombay to Thani Rail Line 1853 India. But one of them is different, is Pilatus Railway Switzerland, which is steepest railway in the world. Let's know more exciting thing about Pilatus Railway. It is 126-year-old railway system which connect Alpnixted to Pilatus Co. at altitude of 36,801 feet, which look almost vertical. There are only one train vehicle, run on track with carrying passenger. Due to path is geographically steepest, here not normal railway line used. The track is built with rack and pinion. Because of rack system, there are no conventional point or switch on the line. Only rotatory switches are used. The line still uses original rack rails, that are now over 100 years old. Well, they have worn out. Due to its different making structures and record, the Pilatus Railway was named a historic mechanical engineering landmark by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers in 2001. Know about more thing, please visit my channel Mindhunter. Thank you.